Welcome to Civil Mania. Advantages of steel. Strength. Steel is known for its strength and durability, making it ideal for use in high-rise buildings, bridges, and other large structures. Flexibility. Steel can be easily shaped and molded into different forms, allowing for greater design flexibility. Sustainability. Steel is a highly recyclable material which reduces waste and conserves natural resources. Fire resistance. Steel is inherently fire resistant, which makes it a safe choice for buildings and structures. Speed of construction. Steel structures can be assembled quickly, which reduces construction time and costs. Disadvantages of steel. Corrosion. Steel is susceptible to corrosion, which can weaken the material over time. Cost. Steel is generally more expensive than other building materials, which can make it a less attractive option for some projects. Maintenance. Steel structures require regular maintenance to prevent rust and other types of corrosion. Advantages of concrete. Durability. Concrete is a strong and durable material, which makes it ideal for use in large structures. Fire resistance. Concrete is fire resistant, which makes it a safe choice for buildings and structures. Low maintenance. Concrete structures require very little maintenance, which can save time and money over the long term. Cost. Concrete is generally less expensive than other building materials, which makes it an attractive option for some projects. Sustainability. Concrete is made from natural materials and can be recycled, which reduces waste and conserves natural resources. Disadvantages of concrete. Brittle. Concrete is a brittle material and can crack or break under stress. Long curing time. Concrete requires a long time to cure, which can slow down construction projects. Heavy. Concrete is a heavy material, which can make it difficult to transport and handle. Environmental impact. The production of concrete can have a significant environmental impact, including greenhouse gas emissions and water pollution. Advantages of mortar. Adhesive properties. Mortar is used to bond building blocks or bricks together, creating a strong and durable structure. Fire resistance. Mortar is inherently fire resistant, which makes it a safe choice for buildings and structures. Flexibility. Mortar can be easily modified to suit different types of building materials and designs. Easy to work with. Mortar is easy to mix and apply, which makes it a popular choice for builders and contractors. Disadvantages of mortar. Brittle. Mortar can be brittle and prone to cracking under stress, which can weaken the structure of a building. Limited strength. Mortar is not as strong as other building materials, such as steel or concrete. Limited durability. Mortar can deteriorate over time, especially if it is exposed to harsh weather conditions or moisture. Limited versatility. Mortar is typically used only for bonding building blocks or bricks together, which limits its range of applications in construction. Thanks for watching.